Fine. So let us change this fields. Okay. So where did we change? Reading we changed. Y got changed. Okay. Fill, here we get reading. Then flipping it, then reading here again. Ranking by reading score. Okay. We have the scores here. We have, fine, this is okay. Okay, now the mean will be based on reading. So I'll take reading, size blue, this is fine. Okay, now if I run this one, I should get the other score. Here it is. Fine. So similar, you get, and because we have sorted this, because of reorder function, it is in a sorted order. You can look at the way it is. So from it is descending order. Okay. Now for the other one, this will be, instead of maths, this will be science. Let me copy this. Science here itself. Science. Fine, this is the other one. Okay, this for science. Fine, so you'll find that Singapore is doing really well in all the three. Fine, like this you can analyze your data. Now next is we have this bar plot. We also have the box plot. Okay, we also have a box plot which can be used in this analysis here. Now let us do that. So I'll leave some space and let us come here. Okay, now if we use this data set above, which we have just created, we will not be able to draw the box plot. Okay, now this is because the box plot needs only two variables, your X and the Y. Okay, but in the data which we have just cleaned and we have stored, that we have, there are there are many variables. You can see total 10 variables are there. Okay, so we need to combine those into two variables, and for this we are going to create another data frame. So let us create one data frame called df2. So df2, I'll write df2 equal to df into the square bracket. Let us, I want all the rows, so I'm not going to mention anything in the first parameter. Fine. Then I'll give, let us see, give C here, this function. I want, let us look at the data set first, guys. Okay, so we have 1, 2, this 3 and 4. Okay, if I want say maths, I want reading and I want science. Okay, like this. Let us do one thing. We'll come back. Let me give 1, comma 3, comma, that was the fourth value. 1.
Sir, 147.
1. Okay. And 1, 1, 2. This is the second one. Let us take the female value, this values, F and M. So I'll take this 2. So I'll take country. I won't take this combined wala. So I'll take and we'll try to give a box plot. Okay, so I'll take country. I'll take a maths female score, male score. So 3 and 4. I'll ignore 5. 6, 7. I'll ignore science. And then I'll take this 2. So 1 column, 3 columns I'm going to ignore from here. So let us do that. So I'll give 3, 4. I'll ignore 5, then 6, 7, ignore 8, and give 9, 10. 10 there. Okay, fine. Fine. So this is what I want. I'll give names to equal to score. So I'm creating scores now. Now this has to be in single quote. I'll show you the data frame, how it looks like. Okay, we are creating a new one. Okay, I hope this gets created and I get, okay, unused. So there's some problem here. Okay, fine. Sorry. I have given round brackets here. I need to complete this. Square bracket would be here. Names, I have to, 1 minute. This is just, sorry guys. So I've taken this and I'll pass this to the other function. So, okay, and here I'll change it. So I'll give, there's a function called pivot longer. Okay, into bracket, C into bracket. I'll give this as we have this the second, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, 3, 6. I want. Okay, fine. So I'll start with 2. I don't want the first one. So what I'm doing is I'm creating only 2 columns. Huh? Please remember, I'm creating only 2 columns. So this one column will be fixed. Okay, and this I'll convert into another 1 column and it'll have the values. That's what I'm trying to do. So we have this function pivot longer, and I don't want the second column, third column, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so this second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, one more, 7. Okay, and now I have to give the names. So I give names to, this is what I'll be giving into the names to. I want is the score. I want this to be as score. Okay, let us, I hope it works now. Okay, could not find the function pivot longer. Okay, let me check this pivot longer function. It might require some frame, data frame. So I'll just give pivot underscore longer. I hope it comes here. Okay, it's not there. Just 1 minute. Let me go to pivot longer. Okay, pivot longer. It belongs to some package. Okay, it is a part of tidyr. Okay, so why it's not working? Okay, let me include that. Let us include that and library. Let's go up here. Now there is, because I have already imported this, I'll give you a library IDR. Okay, and now let me run this. No, this is giving a problem, guys. Pivot underscore longer. Okay, then what we'll do is I'll find some alternate. I'll check it out why it is not working. Okay, the purpose here of this function here is what I'm planning to do is I'll take this data frame which has multiple columns, and I'll convert this columns which are there, that's from second onward to the last one, as one particular column and give it a name to as a score. So what I'll get country names and I'll get the score. So a combination of all the values. Okay, the male, female, for all the subjects like maths, then reading and science will be combined together, and it will be displayed under one particular head. Okay, that is what we are trying to do here. Okay, so we'll come back later. When we come next, I'll show you all this. I'll try to find out what the problem is. Okay, it might take some time, or might be I have not included something. So see proper on bracket.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So can we use column bind function over here?
Column bind, because okay, I'll try to use that as well instead of using this, because I'm giving a new function. Because the purpose here was to show you different types of functions. But if I do column wise, but whether it is going to combine all the columns, that we need to check it out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So because we have to do the addition also. The values has to be added up. and then stored under a new column name called score. But we'll try to find out. We'll try to find out this elsewhere. Okay. Fine. So this is, we'll stop here today. When we come next, I'll try to find some solution for this. Fine. So please practice this out.